In this video, we're going to set up the tools you need to start programming in Java. We'll walk through how to install Visual Studio Code, how to add the necessary Java extension, and finally, how to install IntelliJ IDEA, another popular IDE for Java developers. First, let's install Visual Studio Code. Go to code.visualstudio.com and download the installer for your operating system. Follow the setup instructions to complete the installation. Next, we need to install the Java extension for VS Code. Open Visual Studio Code, go to the Extensions tab on the left, and search for Java Extension Pack. Click Install. This pack includes all the tools you need to write, run, and debug Java code. Finally, let's install IntelliJ IDEA. Visit jetbrains.com/idea. There are two versions available: the Community Edition, which is free, and the Ultimate Edition, which requires a license. Download the version that fits your needs and follow the installation steps. Once you've completed these steps, you'll be ready to write and run Java programs using your preferred IDE. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description below for links, documentation, and source code.